Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is Bel-Air, and this is by Hotwheels and from their speed graphics set. So this is card art premium and I bought it for MRP, which is $2.99. And with that said, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So a lot of people are asking about what I will be doing with these cards. I'm actually saving these cards. See, in future, I'm just planning to keep a display. If everything goes well, if I'm actually keeping the display, then what I'm planning to do is I'm just going to, I'm removing this blister here. Okay, so I'm just keeping this card alone. So I'll just cut this part wherever the car is actually displayed. I'll just put it on back of this actual car, so it will look really nice. Okay, let me just put this aside. And okay, here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really awesome. It is full black. For a change, the black in this looks really nice. Now there are some main lines which we unboxed, specific the RD Quattro and all. The black paint looked really, you know, clumsy. You can say the rims looks really nice. So it doesn't have any windshield or anything. If you guys are wondering, everything is just open. So usually these kind of cars doesn't have any windshields. So okay, it does have headlight details, which is nice. It does have tail light details, which is really nice. And again, we are paying 300 rupees, so at least this needs to be there. So the chassis is chromed out plastic. This is not metal, and it has exhaust details here, which is really nice. The side exhaust, and the body is fully metal except for these pieces. The lights here and these pieces here. These are plastic, and this one also. This is plastic. So I think this is, the fuel can. Yeah, that is a fuel can. You can remove this. Just fix it with the chassis. But the detailing here, which looks really nice, even though we are not able to read it properly, but it looks stylish and all. It looks really cool, but it's okay. Let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. I don't see any wheel wobble, but maybe because the casting is heavy. Usually heavier casting, grounds more very well and it rolls really well. I'm not sure why this is not rolling really well. But I don't see any wheel wobble, which is really nice. But compared to the Mazda RX-3, this one is really awesome. They really butchered that particular casting. But this one looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.